Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom. Now this one here is the long wheel-based sport bodied as well. Now this does come with just under 25,000 miles on the clock, hands-free calling, voice assist, cruise control and automatic transmission. This is a crew cab, so it does of course come with 5 leather seats, the 2 front ones of which are indeed heated as well as electric, and the back ones are benched. As well as this also having Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a reversing camera as well for you. This does pack up with pretty much everything you would need in a vehicle. And just to show you the back 3 seats just there as well, there's plenty of room for the rear passengers. And now just to show you the back of this van as well, as you can see, it is indeed interior lit. There is an undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads, as well as there being some cargo rings dotted about to tie down any load you may want to carry it. The space is also massive for a crew cab to medium-sized van. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. Or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles.